play.
Well, our top story tonight will be a big story for the foreseeable future. The federal trial of Milwaukee County Circuit Court Judge Hannah Dugan is cleared to start Monday morning after the jury of 14 was selected this afternoon and sworn in.
But how that process played out prompted a legal challenge from media members. Adam Reif is live at the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee to break down what happened today. Adam.
Well, Natalie and Jessup, the outcome is what we expected. 14 jurors were eventually seated and sworn in, 9 men and 5 women. But getting there were a couple of hiccups along the way. The jury process is supposed to be open to the public. While anonymity is important to preserve, it's equally important to understand the background of the people who will serve on the jury, their occupations, family life, all of those things that could factor into how this trial plays out and ultimately how it is decided. Today, we had some issues that needed to be discussed with the attorneys and the judge. It's critical in a case like this to understand who the people are that will decide Judge Hannah Dugan's fate. After the jurors registered today and filled out a questionnaire, Judge Lynn Edelman asked them as a group if anyone had scheduling conflicts, biases, or conflicts of interest with potential witnesses. Those potential jurors who said their conflicts were personal were taken individually into the judge's chambers for questioning with the attorneys away from the rest of the group. Now, audio of these exchanges was supposed to be fed to the media to maintain transparency on jury selection. While the identities of the potential jurors are not important, what they are asked or what they could be dismissed for is important. At the lunch break, several media representatives met with the judge to urge that questioning be made available. Attorney Brian Spahn filed an official motion on behalf of Gannett Company and Hearst Television. Attorneys for both sides objected, but the judge did agree with the media. The afternoon questioning was made public to the media. We did learn most of the concerns with potential jurors were over previously formed opinions about immigration enforcement and the credibility of law enforcement agents. By now, the jury of 14 is seated. At the end of the trial, 2 of them will be struck as alternates. 12 will decide the fate of Judge Hannah Dugan, and things resume on Monday right here at the federal courthouse at 9 a.m. Back to you.
All right, Adam, thank you very much. And you're taking a live look outside the federal courthouse now, where supporters of Judge Dugan have gathered for what's been called an evening vigil. It started at about 4:30 with a press conference. A call to action was posted on advocacy group Voces de la Frontera's Instagram page. A rally is also planned for next Monday before the scheduled start of Judge Dugan's trial. And of course, CBS 58 will be there to cover it for you.